The liquor industry has been subjected to multiple bans in South Africa since the onset of the coronavirus. But the industry was spared another business closure this time around. In his address to the nation in September, President Cyril Ramaphosa allowed for the sale of alcohol to continue while the Coronavirus Command Council monitors COVID-19 infections. The industry says it is grateful that another alcohol ban has not been implemented.
It has been a very tough few months that the alcohol industry had to be subjected to alcohol bans, but we are seeing a slight recovery, and we are saying to government and certainly the president, we should allow the economy to flourish. There is really no reason whatsoever in the future, to institute any alcohol bans or even restrictions that will condemn our people to poverty.
But the growing incidence of alcohol abuse continues to taint this multi-billion rand industry. Road fatalities are to a large extent blamed on drunk driving. Meanwhile, calls urging President Ramaphosa to lift the curfew on the 31st of December are gaining momentum. The Restaurants Association of South Africa says it supports citizens in their call to lift the restriction. It says there is no scientific evidence that the lifting of the curfew will lead to an influx of infections.
We absolutely support all lobby groups in the hospitality and tourism industry for the lifting of the curfew. The reason for lockdown is that it was to adequately prepare the healthcare system and site necessary beds. What we do know is that there's absolutely no evidence that curfew prevents the spread of the virus, or no scientific data to say by lifting the curfew that we will see an influx in infections. What we do know for certain is that the hospitalization admissions are lower and that there's no impact on the healthcare system currently in place. What we do know is that the economy has been heavily impacted, our industry has been heavily impacted.
Both members of the Restaurants Association and the Liquor Traders Council were severely affected by the previous restriction on alcohol trade that was implemented to curb the spread of COVID-19. The country is currently at the tail end of the fourth wave. But there are still a lot of uncertainties about the pandemic and how the high infection rates seen in Europe and other parts of the world could affect us. South Africans are encouraged to continue to maintain a safe social distance, wear masks and sanitize regularly. Nothando Makutulela, SABC News, Johannesburg.